G'day, I'm Ryan from Hoselink, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your hose connector with flow control to the end of your hose. First, cut the hose so it is straight. Next, unscrew the yellow nut from the back of the fitting and place over the end of the hose. Then attach the white split ring, making sure that it is flush with the end of the hose. Next, put the first 2 centimetres into boiling water to soften for 15 seconds. Take the stem from the back of the fitting and place the hose over the stem, making sure that it reaches the base. Next, reinsert the stem into the back of the fitting and do up the yellow nut. And just like that, you're done.